So here's something that our Fearless Agent coaching students know that the rest of the agents in the industry do not know. First of all, the market goes up, the market goes down. It's always been that way. It is always going to be that way. But for some reason, in any market, there's this tiny group of agents. They just keep getting better and better and better. So it's not, what do they know? We all know it. It's what do they do every day that makes that happen. And it's 5 things. And Fearless Agent coaching students do these 5 things, and they out-earn everybody else in the industry by a ton, by just doing those 5 things. The other thing is we always get into real estate with high expectations. You did, I did. We said, oh, I'm going to get my little business cards, and I'm going to get me a little name badge, and I'm going to get me a real estate license, and I'm going to make a lot of money. But in a relatively short period of time, reality sets in. And the truth is, the vast majority of people that get into the real estate business today won't even renew their license 2 years from today. They'll fail out completely. They'll go back to Home Depot and tie on the orange apron. They'll be explaining to their friends and family how this real estate thing didn't really work out. That's the heartache of the typical agent in real estate. Then you've got the people who fail. They do renew their license, and really that was me. I renewed my license, and I think most people wondered why I bothered. I was in a constant state of earning way below my potential, or failing, if you want to call it that, for about 5 years until I learned what I call the science of sales. Once you learn that, you learn a set of presentations. It's listing, pricing, for sale by owner, buyer, investor. You do them as prescribed. You don't mix it with all the other baloney you've heard from other coaches out there. You learn the Fearless Agent words to say on the phone to get yourself into those situations, and everything turns around. And then you'll be one of the 5% of agents that are earning their full worth, earning way more than the industry average, and you'll be happy and your clients get a better experience as well. So if you'd like to see what it takes to be a Fearless Agent, why not give me a call anytime? Don't think you're bothering me. Call me on my cell phone at 480-385-8810, and we'll have a conversation to see if Fearless Agent would be a good fit for you. You can go to fearlessagentpodcast.com, subscribe to our podcast, learn a bunch of crazy jokes. That's always fun. Then you can go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our training videos. That's all free. You can do that for free. That will give you an idea if what we do might be a good fit for you. And then give me a call, or you can sign up online. But it's probably a good idea to give me a call first, and let's see if we can make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.